everyone. Today I'm going to be doing a review and first couple prints of the Anycubic Mega X. So this is me unboxing the video. I have some help here with my mother. This box was packaged extremely well. It had a whole lot of foam in it. We slowly got this open and it was looking really nice. As you can see on the inside, it had the base of the printer with the print bed attached to it. No assembly there. Take that to the side. There's the bag of parts. And then here is the extruder and whole top part of the printer in the box. We take this out and then we get to assembling, which is not on camera. At least I don't think. Here we are, just kind of arranging everything and starting to figure out how this is going to go together. Look at the instructions, but they're mostly in Chinese. All this stuff also came with spatula, a pair of clippers, a spare hot end, a pair of tweezers, a USB cable for something, some rubber gloves, this card, a couple of wrenches, a mini screwdriver, Allen wrenches, a needle for the hot end, an SD card, an adapter, extra bolts, and a mainly Chinese instructions. It also came with a PLA. This is 2 kilograms. It also came with a spool holder, and I'm putting together the spool holder in this clip right here. I did most construction off camera just so it would be a bit easier, and it went together very quickly, very easily. So it took me about 30 minutes in total. There were 4 screws on each side and then a bunch of plugs, but it was mostly assembled, probably 80% assembled. I'm just working on getting the spool holder. It took me a couple of attempts, to be honest. Sorry for the camera tilt, by the way. And this is everything that came with it and the full built printer. The printer looks really nice. It has a good aesthetic to it. I'm about to start my first print, and I am very excited. Now this is going to be fun. So this right here is the test print that is already loaded on the printer. It's an owl pair, a husband and wife or something. And this printed really nicely. It had some really good detail. Near the tops and the back of the heads, it got a little bit messed up and you could see a few more layer lines, but this looked really good. It did get pretty stuck to the plate. I did notice that, so I put on a mixture of alcohol and water to have to get it off. And I did actually snap the lady owl. Overall, still, these look exquisite. Here is where it gets this print did not stick down all the way, and so it's supposed to be a benchy, and it started to print, did not stick down, and just went insane with all this weird clumpiness. You can see it also took over the hot end, pouring out of every orifice of the end there, and I will have to put in the spare. As you can see, it has a lot of damage to it, which is a bummer considering this is only the second day I've got this. Here I'm replacing the hot end to start my next print. The hot end was in a pretty dismal shape, and it actually broke the silicone tip of the extruder hot end, which is very sad. I did, however, replace the hot ends pretty easily and got more to printing, which you will see soon. I successfully printed a benchy, as you can see. And this benchy looked really good. It had close to no layer lines. It did have some stringing, but it was okay without the supports, and it was just overall a very good print. I was very happy with it. Along with that, I printed an all-in-one printer test. This has everything you can need, from bridging to overhangs, all of that. The bridging actually did really good, but some of it did not. For example, I'm not exactly sure what that is, but right in the back there, you can see, looks really bad. But this bridging turned out very good. The overhang angle wasn't perfect, and there was a lot of stringing on the tall cylinders. But overall, it was more pros than cons. Thank you so much for watching my video on the Mega X. This video was not sponsored, but I highly recommend it. I believe you can get this for about $400 on Anycubic's website. I will leave a link down below. I also have links to all the files that I went and printed and all the filaments I used. Highly recommend. Thanks for watching.